with a lot of wasp nests. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are where are we, Jaden?
We're at country.
And what are we doing down here?
We're visiting the bees.
Okay. So it has been about 3 weeks since we have not come and check up on the bees. So we came today and we are going to feed them. So some of you guys probably wonder what we are going to feed them with. We are going to feed them with sugar and water. So you just put the sugar in some water and you mix it very sweet and pour it into their feeding tray and they will drink it. I wish I could go down there to show you guys, but let me tell you something. These bees are crazy. I cannot go down there. I have to keep my distance. The last time I went down there, people, the bees pitch right on my nose. Let me tell you something. I run left all the biscuit that I was eating. So from that, I kind of have a little fear of going too close. Furthermore, I am not dressed to go that close to them. I'm not wearing any bee gear to protect myself. And that's Nicole down there, the real bees man. He's not afraid of them. He knows how to deal with them. I wish I could go and give you a closer look, but I don't know if it's going to happen. Let me show you. See it? The dam is pouring it in the feeding tray. I don't know if you guys can see from here.
Everything is
Okay,
awesome.
that's wonderful.
Yeah, man. Them are lay. There's no signs of disturbance.
Mm-hmm.
No, everything is just perfect.
Well, that's good.
So that I will have now going into Christmas,
Mm-hmm.
early January, February.
Yeah.
That's a honey. That's
Oh.
a honey seed.
So we have honey to sell by then.
The next time I'm gonna put it right here. Right across there.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Come for the camera and show them in the
And I'm
box.
going to turn the face to sun. And then come here.
That was quick though.
Very, there's not much work. You know, what happens when you maintain them properly. So folks, I'm going to show you what is happening in the hive. Or should I say in the hives, because we have more than one colony. Let me just show you the bigger one first. These are very calm, absolutely calm. This is a split that I did the other day. See them? Very nice. Very nice. The split is around 3 months. These are active, so they are coming out. So you have to be careful with these. These are aggressive. You see? Because they have food, that's why they are behaving like that. I think I am here to steal their food. But I'm not. I'm not, guys. Calm down. Calm down, guys. Calm down. This one. This is calm as well. Alright. So it's 4 colony. And they are doing wonderful. Let me just show you the front. That's the entrance. Entrance. And you have to take into consideration that 1/3 of the population is out right now, currently foraging, looking for food. pollen and nectar. So they are strong. They are absolutely strong. Early next year, late this year into early next year, the honey flow will start. So in February or about March, I'll be looking to harvest honey. So thank you very much for stopping by.
The rain is falling. Look at that. Rain catches at the river. And a river, a bush, no? There river out there, so we're not going to river. And this is our sheltering. This is where we are sheltering. With a lot of wasp nests. Yes, drip me.